This is a 2005 Toyota Prius, and it's a pretty sophisticated car. It's got a lot of electronics in it. Now, a lot of people are intimidated by electronical systems, and I'm really not one of them. I don't mind working on electronic stuff, but the problem is most of the electronic stuff these days is very proprietary. If you don't have the right electronical tools, you know, the softwares and the cables and the computers and stuff, you really can't diagnose them. However, this problem's pretty obvious. So I'm going to turn the system on, and this display comes on, and, well, no speedometer, no gas gauge. The only thing that's flashing is the little, security warning. Yeah, so this one was easy to diagnose. It needs a new cluster. Let's try it again. And, yay, gas gauge, speedometer, all kinds of things that are going wrong. Well, at least we know.